He hears a distant roar that could be a rival male. But night cameras show it's something more enticing. It's the mating call of a young female jaguar called Agwe, and appears to be following the scent of Juru and other males, and all her calling at last attracts attention. But this powerful male isn't Juru, a threat to Juru, but just what Agwe has been looking for. Big cat courtship is usually a raucous affair, but seeing into their nighttime world shows it can be far more gentle. The young couple sit together as if on a first date, seemingly happy just to be close to one another, for whom love is in the air. Agwe has got her man.